If your VIZIO TV is blinking red and won't turn on, don't worry, you're not alone. This issue usually means your TV is in protection mode, or there's a power supply fault. In today's video, we'll go step by step through the most effective ways to fix the VIZIO red blinking light problem quickly and safely. So let's get started. Step 1. Power cycle your TV. The first and simplest step is performing a power cycle. Unplug your VIZIO TV from the wall socket. Now, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. This drains any leftover power and resets the internal components. After that, plug your TV back in and try turning it on. If the red light stops blinking and the screen turns on, great. You fixed it. If not, move on to the next step. Step 2. Check the power source and cables. A blinking red light can also mean your TV isn't getting stable power. Start by checking the power outlet. Plug in another device, like a phone charger or lamp, to ensure it's working. Next, inspect the power cable for damage, cuts, or loose connections. If your TV is connected through a surge protector, try plugging it directly into the wall socket. Faulty cables or surge protectors are often the hidden culprits behind power issues. Step 3. Disconnect all external devices. Sometimes, connected devices like a gaming console, HDMI stick, or soundbar can cause interference during startup. Unplug all external devices from your TV, every HDMI, USB, and audio cable. Now, try turning the TV on again. If the red light disappears, reconnect your devices one at a time to identify which one caused the problem. Step 4. Reset the TV from the back panel. If your VIZIO TV still shows a blinking red light, it's time for a manual reset. Locate the small reset pinhole on the back of your TV, usually near the HDMI or power port. Using a paperclip or pin tip, press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds while the TV is plugged in. Wait a moment after releasing it. Your TV should automatically restart. This process helps clear corrupted data, refresh the internal memory, and restore default settings, which often resolves software glitches preventing the TV from powering on properly. Step 5. Internal power board check. If the blinking red light issue continues even after resetting, it could point to a hardware malfunction, most commonly a faulty power board or mainboard inside the TV. These components control the TV's power supply and startup process. Do not open the TV yourself, as internal circuits carry high voltage and tampering may void your warranty. Instead, contact VIZIO customer support or a certified technician to inspect and replace the damaged part safely. Professional servicing ensures your TV's internal components are properly diagnosed and repaired, helping you avoid further damage and restore normal operation. So that's how you fix a VIZIO TV with a blinking red light. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more VIZIO troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.